Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set screen lock password in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings here. Then go to security. Go to security here. And then here select screen lock. And here select pattern. Draw the pattern that you want to set. I draw this pattern. Click on next. Again draw the same pattern to verify and click on confirm. And now it will ask you to choose from these three options. That is how do you prefer to show notification on the lock screen? Show all notification content over lock screen. First option selected already. Then second option, show sensitive content only when unlocked. Then third one is don't show notification at all. So if you select third one, nothing will be shown on lock screen. Okay, notifications will not be shown on lock screen. Okay, so I keep in first option only, show all notification content. Okay, so I click on done. And yes, screen lock password is now set. Now check, put lock in your phone and try to unlock your phone. It will ask now pattern, that is a screen lock pattern that you set now. Give it and yes, it's working very well. So in this way, you can easily set screen lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy, Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.